Hello everybody, Brad with Northern Brewer again. I'm going to make a short little video here just to go over one of our newest products in the lineup, the Tilt Hydrometer. Now you have seen quite a few electronic hydrometers come to market in the last few years. This one is the one that we find to be the most compelling and easy to use and accurate, frankly. Instead of it actually sitting in the airlock hole with something maybe submerged in the beer, or you have to draw a sample of beer, you just throw this right in your fermenter. You have a handy dandy app on your phone that this will talk to via Bluetooth. Sanitize it. Just using water here for now for the sake of demonstration. It will, there we go, automatically just right connects.